I'm sorry, y'all. I can't hear y'all. I can't hear you over this definition, okay?
They say birds of the same feather flock together, left from whatever. Been some lonely endeavors. With your eyes to the heavens, they never expected. Find myself flying the highest when I'm an eagle in perfect alignment. Get faith or die trying. I feel like David. I see Goliath. I think I'm Daniel. Take out the.
It's your girl Britt, aka RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching and coming through for your girl. So today we're reviewing Luster's Pink. One of the items I got with a VIP bag for an event I had went to. So I had a leave-in conditioner and hair milk, and I had a shampoo and conditioner, a curl and twisting pudding, a smooth whole edge gel from a giveaway. As you can see, my hair is pre-poo right now. So I'm about to wash off this pre-poo, and I'm about to put the shampoo in there. Let's get this video started, y'all.
I ain't perfect, but for sure I know I'm working hard enough to feed my purpose. But I'm only at the surface, babe. And I'm for certain, even though I know I'm hurting, that I finally feel I'm worth it. Tonight I heard him say that it's so. Man, I know I got some.
Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil for Textured Natural Hair Shampoo is clarifying, hydrating, sulfate-free, moisturizing shampoo. Apply to wet hair, gently massage throughout hair and scalp. Activating a rich lather, rinsing thoroughly, repeat if necessary. So with this shampoo, it smells really good, and my hair don't feel completely stripped with this shampoo. I don't have no problem with it. I like the way it lathered on so quickly. I only had to do 2 squirts, and 2 squirts was too much. It worked out for me. I was able to massage it throughout my scalp. My scalp feel clean. It don't smell like it still have old product inside of my hair. My hair feel clean. And yeah, so I give this shampoo an A+ because my hair doesn't feel completely stripped. Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil for natural textured hair. Hydrate, smooths, and eye shine. Moisturizing and smoothing conditioner with shea butter and coconut oil, plus olive, sunflower, and argan oils and vitamin E. Apply generously to clean and damp hair. Distribute throughout hair from roots to ends. Leave on to 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly for a deeper conditioning. Cover hair with a plastic cap or process under warm hooded dryer or a heated cap for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is the conditioner they have. I felt like the conditioner was very thin, which is fine to have sometimes a thin conditioner. If it was a little bit thicker, I would be okay, but I don't have no problem with the conditioner. It was easy to detangle with, and it was easy to glide through my hair. It didn't have a strong smell. It has a light scented smell, so I'm glad that they didn't put a strong scent inside of their products. Okay, I rinsed out the conditioner. I'm gonna apply a generous amount of the leave-in conditioner. See, the back part I already applied the leave-in conditioner in, so I'm gonna apply a little bit of hair milk, and I'm going to coil it with the smoothing gel. This is the Shea Butter Smoothing Edge Gel. Apply and smooth fingertips to brush. It's not as thick as other people's edge gels.
And I'm for certain, even though I know I'm hurting, that I finally feel I'm worth it. Tonight I heard him say that it's alright.
Alright, now let's get it popping with this twist out. I hope and pray it dries in the morning. So I'm just sectioning it off my hair. And a little bit of hair milk and a little bit of the twisting pudding. Okay, y'all, so I used 3 of their styling products. I used this leave-in conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner was awesome. I loved it, you know. I feel like all these products are of a thin consistency. Hair milk I apply after I put on leave-in. I put a little bit of the hair milk and I applied it after the leave-in conditioner. The hair milk, I feel like they both felt the same, but I put both of them on there. I put a little bit more hair milk. The curls and twist pudding. Nah, I love this. It was really thick. Okay, thicker than a Snicker. This is good. I liked it. Very cool. I liked this pudding. This pudding was really nice.
And I ain't perfect, but for sure I know I'm working hard enough to feed my purpose. But I'm only at the surface, babe. And I'm for certain, even though I know I'm hurting, that I finally feel I'm worth it. Tonight I heard him say that it's alright. And I ain't perfect, but for sure I know I'm working hard enough to feed my purpose. But I'm only at the surface, babe. And I'm for certain, even though I know I'm hurting, that I finally feel I'm worth it. Tonight I heard him say that it's alright. And I ain't perfect, but for sure I know I'm working hard enough to feed my purpose, but I'm only at the surface, babe. And I'm for certain, even though I know I'm hurting, that I finally feel I'm worth it. Tonight I heard him say that it's all. Man, I know I got some things I'm probably never gonna let go. Got some stuff deep in my soul I'm probably never gonna let show. Got a lot of hate and pain that I just hope won't stop my growth. Cry a river, build a boat, just set sail so I'm gon' flow. I ain't spoken to my pops in 4 years over some dope. Disagreeing over money, I shed tears over this, bro. Man, I'm sick and tired of Satan spreading fears over my folks. Man, I know one day God gon' let me feel y'all with some hope. Cause I've been high, I've been low, needed more faith and I got more. Ask the Lord for a little more patience, got more patience, I'm still waiting. Lord, I plan to be more gracious, I could stand it.
This twist out is popping, y'all. Y'all thought my hair was so short that it couldn't be in a twist out. Fried Joseph. Fried Joseph. Look at that. My hair is long enough to get in a twist out. I really want to use all the products from this line. You know what I'm saying? Like, people don't like you product hopping on their stuff when you're doing a review on them. But I have having my eye on these products for a while. And for me to win 5 of them, look at God. I just love Luster Pink. I've been down from relaxed to natural. And I was so hyped when they came out with a natural line. I'm like, yes. Y'all can't tell me these curls ain't popping. Y'all better keep watching. Keep popping, 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 pop, 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 pop. This is a successful mini twist out. Definition, y'all. Definition. And I still got some twist in here, y'all. Oh my God, like, I don't even think I'm gonna pick it. Nope, I'm not picking it. It's over. Smooth and Hold Edge Gel. I use this edge gel on my edges, of course, but I used it at the back of my hair. I used it as to do my coils, and this edge gel was 100. I loved it. I loved it. It's on my edges right now. I didn't have to put on no scarf. Like, it looks so cute the way it is. Look at this. Oh my God. Let me look at it in the mirror. Hold on. I'm looking in the mirror. Oh, I'm looking in the mirror. Oh, Luster Pink did they thing on this twist out. I'm about to hit them with the dab. Boom. Twist out, pop it. Twist out, pop it.
To be more faithful, but my plans is like quicksand if I don't change before I face you. I just wanna be free, and dear Lord, take me out of misery. How can I repay you for your sympathy? Think back what you did for me, delivered me when Satan tried to visit